Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover lost rental income with Airbnb easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover lost rental income with Airbnb, start by logging into your Airbnb account. Navigate to your host dashboard. Click on the Listings tab to view your properties. Select the listing you want to focus on. Check your calendar for any blocked dates or unavailable periods. Identify the reasons for the lost income, such as cancellations or low occupancy. Review your pricing strategy by comparing it with similar listings in your area. Adjust your nightly rates to be more competitive. Consider implementing discounts for longer stays to attract more bookings. Enable Instant Book to increase your chances of securing last-minute guests. Enhance your property description and add high-quality photos to make your listing more appealing. Respond to inquiries promptly to improve your response rate and overall guest experience. Utilize Airbnb's smart pricing tool to automatically adjust your rates based on demand. Promote your listing on social media to reach a wider audience. Explore local events and holidays that may increase demand for your rental. Consider offering unique experiences or added amenities to attract guests. Regularly monitor your listing's performance through Airbnb's analytics tools. Make necessary adjustments based on the insights you gather. By following these steps, you can effectively work towards recovering lost rental income on Airbnb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.